In this video, I'll compare Internet Computer and Stratos to see how they function and determine which one has the most effective use. Both platforms are designed to be blockchain-based platforms that can change how individuals, creators, and businesses approach and use the internet for their own purposes. They share many similarities, so I'll do my best to offer an unbiased analysis. You can view Internet Computer as a decentralized cloud storage system representing a more secure internet. You know, the likes of Google Drive and other cloud storage platforms help to appreciate all your data from your internet operations and can censor and control what you can access and cannot. Its founders, the Dfinity Group, meant it to be a vast decentralized structure having a wholesome worldwide network of data centers rather than a single data server operated by a single server under the control of an entity like Google or Amazon. It taps into a community of contributory yet independent data centers peddling their computing power and lending it out to those who need it to use it to store sensitive and encrypted data. Its sole aim is to make the internet decentralized via its independent computer network that offers unique alternatives to the standard corporate cloud services. Stratos offers a much different perspective on how the blockchain can be used to improve the digital economy. Its platform is user-friendly for businesses and individuals to design, launch, and manage their own security tokens. It has a powerful application for securing real-world assets owned by these entities. A security token can be used to represent ownership of any form of asset of the institution for considerable protection in the long term. Internet computers allow businesses to protect their operational data as well as their customers' data. It's a conglomerate of multiple data centers into one central unit and can disenfranchise the current highly centralized internet. To the end of fulfilling their purposes, both platforms have unique native currencies that are critical to their operations for developers and the average users and businesses they were designed for. The ICP token is central to all the functions on the Internet Computer, while Stratos' core operations are powered by the STOS token. How ICP tokens work. Holders hold this token, which empowers them to make critical decisions to keep the internet computing functioning as expected. These decision makers in the network will also earn more ICP tokens for how much they participate in the protocol's governance. The ICP token is basically the token of the new internet. As you know, the traditional internet service regularly passes data to a stream of servers in different aspects of the internet. Access is granted via the satellite connections provided by the internet service providers, but that has gradually become a fast internet with several players gaining monopoly over several internet services. So, Internet Computer uses the blockchain instead of a physical server to communicate data between several sub-servers. The blockchain operates on the basic principles of distributed ledger technology, which is open source and makes available every form of transaction and its data. ICP leverages the blockchain to create a new, open internet where users can store applications and data on a secure blockchain. This network is permissionless and has no custodian, hence it offers greater freedom. It's also much faster than the traditional internet courtesy of its unique consensus mechanism known as the threshold relay, which makes transactions more seamless. How Stratos works. Stratos does not precisely portray itself as a new form of internet, but it offers similar resources to the Internet Computer. Its features are in three significant facets: computation, network traffic, and storage. It relies on the proof of traffic algorithms to organize the participants' operation in its infrastructure and contributors relative to the amount of traffic generated by the network. The Stratos blockchain measures how computing resources are used. It's regulated by the practical Byzantine fault tolerance algorithm to fully administer the consensus for not just settling its network participants with rewards and STOS tokens and the financial payment services efficiently. Its focus is on improving the type of decentralized applications created on the blockchain. It will improve the standard for the next generation while also allowing established dApps like Aave, Uniswap, and NFT dApps to use Stratos infrastructure to store and execute their data. Stratos is a valuable platform for dApp developers, middleware developers, and certain infrastructure providers providers within its infrastructure to share value and produce reliable and cheap blockchain applications. The Stratos token, or STOS, powers the circulation of value in the ecosystem. Stakeholders and delegators in the ecosystem more or less use the token to help secure the blockchain, and they earn the proof of traffic mining reward. The token is also used to pay transaction fees as well. Internet Computer versus Stratos. In retrospect, Internet Computer have a much grander vision than Stratos protocol. What can be grander than trying to replace the entire internet? We're still looking at its potential success, but the odds could favor the project winning some ground against the highly centralized internet. Stratos is more compact and focuses on its specific use case, simplifying securing their real-world assets with security tokens. It is laborious and can take time to create within centralized tools. Having secured your ideas or business assets, you can use them to access funding or capital that can be vital to the success of your venture. Majorly seeing that both platforms share nearly similar features but serve different ends may make it challenging to choose the best. It really depends on which one you need. If you bear a grudge against the current version of the internet, you may be open to trying a blockchain-powered internet where you can trust your data will not be sold or your content censored. Most platforms on the internet are likely to introduce you to spam and user personal data in marketing campaigns without paying a dime. You have incredible freedom over every data you choose to store on a secure data center on the Internet Computer. You can trade or sell it. You can also make your computation power available as a data center and allow others to store their encrypted data on your storage while you earn ICP tokens. However, to protect sensitive assets, consider creating a security token to protect your data instead of trusting your data with the Internet Computer's decentralized data centers. This fact may mean there are viable alternatives to each other if you choose a security token instead of a decentralized data storage. At least with both of them, you can store data directly on the blockchain without relying on centralized servers. You have an internet that cannot be controlled by a few major corporations and a decentralized vault for protecting your crucial real-world assets. There's one solution that both Internet Computer and Stratos share. Besides the scalability issues that limit the blockchain, most networks are designed with unique languages and their tokens cannot naturally operate on another blockchain. This raises the problem of interoperability. If the crypto industry is going to become the face of the new world of finance and the internet, it must be able to interact with other blockchains. So projects like Stratos and the Internet Computer can facilitate the seamless transfer of data from one blockchain to another, or tokens from Ethereum to another like Solana. Those are just examples, by the way. Integrating a bridge adaptable to hundreds of blockchains is a tough challenge. Hence, only a few major networks can be integrated into the internet by Computer and Stratos. IC takes it a step further by allowing developers to migrate their decentralized applications from one blockchain to the ICP protocol just to enjoy the secure data centers available on the network. This adds an increased number of transactions the Internet Computer is more than capable of handling, considering its vast network of decentralized validators. Hence, it's suitable for high-traffic dApps. IC's architecture efficiently prevents many common risks with cryptocurrencies, such as double spending and cyber attacks. Developers are highly secure in the flexibility it offers regarding the language options they can deploy to build decentralized applications. They can use Chash, JavaScript, and Ethereum Solidity. Stratos allows users to own their own tokens representing their secure assets and command value on their own. Any secure tokens they can hold can be launched in compliance with financial regulations, and they can offer people the opportunity to invest in their assets. Aside from being an interoperable bridge on different blockchains, security tokens built on Stratos can be migrated to other blockchains. Stratos is capable of protecting users from any form of cyber attack. In retrospect, both projects have specific use cases, and their respective tokens could see massive investments when they get enough mainstream attention for the good their protocol will do for the world at large. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I really hope you learned something. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.